Good afternoon, everybody. Mistasnacksogood live and direct. I'm here today with another snack review. Today, let me see what I got for y'all today. Damn! Doritos Screamin Sriracha. Alright, y'all. I ain't gonna waste no time. I'm gonna get it to y'all just like this. Ooh. I don't know as far as the smell, but they actually smell like the typical chip smell. Yeah, the tortilla smell or whatever. So we finna see how these taste. I'm not feeling the hotness yet. It's a heat that gives you chills. Alright, Doritos. Let's see. I'm sensing a little spice. There it go. Maybe it's my heat tolerance, but I definitely can. Okay, I just noticed something. When I was making this video, it looked like I was looking to the side. Go through this bag like it ain't nothing. And I don't got the chills, so they deceived me. But they good though. On a scale of 1 to 5, I give it to the side. 4 point. I give it a 4.5 because they ain't nasty or nothing. To the side. Well, I like my stuff way hotter than this. My tolerance level is just up there, so these ain't nothing to me. But that's a snack review. Your boy Mistasnacksogood. I wanted to give y'all the snack gasm, but they let me down. Anyway, I'm gonna holler at y'all with episode 3 coming soon. Wonder what I'll review next. Y'all let me know in the comments what should I try out. Alright?